Do you find yourself in a rush in the morning? If so, this overnight oat recipe is just for you. This recipe pairs protein, carbs, and fats together to help you stay full and satisfied and also increase concentration. All right, we have our overnight oat recipe. You can put your own spin on it by adding your favorite fresh fruit. You want to make sure that you add a healthy source of fat from either nuts or peanut butter. And don't forget a protein powder. For this recipe and so many more, check out healthysubsnutrition.com.